Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. Today we have a new topic, a new concept. We are going to see some pictures and discuss them together. Okay, my question to you today is what changes can be seen in nature? You know, nature, our life, everything in our life. Everything in our life is changing, changes. The weather changes, the plants changes, the animals change, and also we change. Let's start. Bismillah. Look at this picture. Picture number 151. What can you see? Hmm? Someone said I can see some trees and I see a small bird, some eggs, and an insect. Okay, do you note something strange? I will ask you, do you see the color of the leaves? Do you see the color of the tree leaves? What is the color of the tree leaf? The tree leaf is always green or usually green, but I see some orange leaves, some yellow leaves. Do leaves change color? And also I see some branches here without leaves. Do leaves fall down? And here I see the legs and feet of a big bird and a small baby bird and some eggs. So there's a change here. And here also I see an insect changes. Okay, great. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created for us 4 seasons during the year. What are the 4 seasons? Mister, do you mean that there are 4 months? No, we have 12 months. But I am talking about seasons. During these seasons or periods of time, everything changes. The weather changes, the plants change, and also animals may have babies, and also we grow and change. Oh, now I know. You mean winter, spring, summer, and fall? Yes, these are the 4 seasons. These are the 4 seasons. We have only 4 seasons in the year. A big change happens during these 4 seasons. In winter, of course, what is the weather like and how is the weather like in winter? Very good, yeah, man. The weather is cold, becomes colder. Okay, in spring it is cool and I can see here some green leaves. In summer, actually it is hot and very hot. Okay, but we can find many fruits during the summer. Okay, what about fall? Fall means fall. Some people call it fall and some people call it autumn. Autumn. In autumn or fall, it is windy and some trees lose their leaves. The leaves fall down and change color. So the weather changes. Okay, we know that. Cold in winter, cool or good in spring, hot in summer, and windy in fall. Let's see some other changes. Look at this chart. In winter, it is cold, snow may fall, or rain. No leaves on trees. Some trees have leaves. Some animals hibernate. What is the meaning of hibernate? Hibernate means sleep. Like the bear Some animals sleep the whole winter. They gather the food before winter, then they sleep or rest in their dens or nests the whole winter. Of course, for people, we wear coats and heavy clothes. The winter comes in these 3 months: December, January, and February. And spring, the second one. The weather is rainy. We may have rain. Cool, good, not hot, not cold. We can plant a garden. We can see flowers and plants green. We can fly a kite. It comes in these 3 months: March, April, and May. And here in summer, the third one, you see the sun, it is sunny, hot, but we can do many things like playing outside and go swimming in the beach. It comes in June, July, and August. We have a summer vacation after school. Usually we don't study, we don't go to school in this month. And fall, it is cooler. We can see the leaves change color and fall from the trees. Here we can, it comes in September, October, and November. These are the 4 seasons of the year. Now we are going to watch a video. Okay, the video will explain more about that.
What changes can be seen in nature?
Well, for one thing, I have to change how I dress. In the summer, I wear shorts. And in the winter, I have to wear a heavy jacket and gloves.
Each year we experience the change of seasons, passing through summer, fall, winter, and spring. With these seasonal changes, our behavior changes as well.
Yes.
We wear different clothes.
He said, as the seasons change, also our behavior, not only our behavior and animals' behavior change as well.
Eat different foods.
Yes.
And use different types of tools.
Good.
Umbrellas in the spring, garden hoses in the summer, rakes in the fall, and shovels in the winter. Animals also change with the seasons. Birds migrate to warmer weather in the fall.
He said here, animals change. You may see some birds change place, flying to another place, migrate to another place.
Then return to cooler weather in the spring.
Good.
And bears hibernate in the winter, not to emerge until the spring. Even plants change. In the spring, buds sprout from trees. In the summer, flowers bloom. And in the fall, leaves turn to a golden brown and fall to the ground. The change in seasons changes everything.
Everything.
This week you will learn that as the seasons change, the weather changes, and that makes people, animals, and plants change. What changes can you see in nature?
The last sentence is a wonderful sentence. As the season change, everything changes. As the weather changes, everything changes. People change their behavior, also animals and plants. So, again, we have 4 seasons. We can start with winter, spring, summer, and fall. Winter is cold, spring is cool, summer is hot and sunny, and fall is windy. The leaves of the trees fall down and change color. Now we are with another video, but it is a funny video. Okay, listen and have fun about the 4 seasons.
There are 4 seasons that happen in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. 4 seasons that happen in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring, summer. summer, autumn, winter. Can you tell me what season it is? Let's take a look. Spring. Can you tell me what season it is? Let's take a look. Summer. Can you tell me what season it is? Let's take a look. Autumn. Can you tell me what season it is? Let's take a look. Winter. There are 4 seasons that happen in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. There are 4 seasons that happen in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. There are 4 seasons that happen in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
As I told you, fall means autumn. Autumn means fall. Thank you so much. Goodbye for now. See you in